Hello students, welcome to the class on Principles of Management. My name is Rishi Chakravarti and I am Assistant Professor in the Department of Management of Assam Downtown University. From the above discussion so far, we have understood on what basis management and administration can be differentiated. There is a thin line of difference between these two terms, and from the above discussion, it can be concluded that there is a gap of difference between management and administration on different frontiers. That means on the basis as it was shown in my previous lecture video. It is necessary that understanding both the terms, because for an effective functioning of an organization, the roles of both management and administration becomes immensely important. Therefore, for an organization to perform effectively, the administration as well as the management must work in a collective fashion for the long-term fulfillment of the long-term objective of that organization. Thank you very much.